Hello students, myself Shaurya and in this video I am going to tell you about the number system. So what is number system? A number system is defined as the system of writing to express a number. Now we will look at the classifications of number. Number are classified into two forms, which is one is real number and one is imaginary number. So we will look what is real number. Real number are those number which really exist in the world. Like any number we can take, any positive integers, negative integer, fraction or decimal, all the numbers are called a real number. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 by 2. These all are real numbers. Coming up to the imaginary number. What is imaginary number? Imaginary number are those numbers which does not really exist in the world, like root minus 1. Root minus 1. It is denoted by the sign I, which is iota. We called as a iota. It is a imaginary number. So further, real number is classified into two forms, which is rational number and irrational number. So what is rational number? Rational number are those numbers which can be represented in the form of P by Q only. P by Q only, where Q is not equal to 0. That is, denominator is not equal to 0. Further, rational number is classified into two forms. One is integer and next is fraction. What is integer? Integer are defined as the set of all whole numbers with a negative set of natural number. Like the integer set is defined by the symbol Z. We can see -3, -2, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These all are a integer. Now integers are classified into two types. There are two types of integer. One is positive and other is negative integers. What is positive integer? All the positive natural numbers are called positive integers till infinity. And what is negative integers? All the negative natural numbers like -1, -2, -3 and so on. These all are called negative integers. So coming up to next, what is whole number? So whole number is defined as all the counting number starting with 0 is called what? Whole number. Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These are all are called whole number. And coming up to the natural number, all the counting numbers are called what? Natural number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That is infinity. So number which comes naturally is called natural number. And next we are coming to the fraction. What is fraction? A fraction is defined as the number that represents a part of a whole. What it means? Suppose it's a whole part and it's defined a part of a whole. That is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 4. This is called what? Fraction. So fraction are of three types. One is proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? A proper fraction is a type of a fraction where the denominator is greater than the numerator. For example, 2 by 7, 5 by 9. These all are the example of what? Proper fraction. The next is improper fraction. Improper fraction. What is improper fraction? Improper fraction is a type of a fraction where the numerator is always greater than the denominator. What? That numerator will always greater than the denominator. Okay. For example, we can say 5 by 3, 9 by 2. These all are the example of improper fraction. Okay. Now other is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? A mixed fraction is a combination of integer and proper fraction. That 2 whole 3 by 5, 5 whole 2 by 7. These all are the example of mixed fraction.